am meeting up with Ariel and the boys, and we're gonna be down by the river. Super excited to be able to take you guys on this journey with us today. It's sunny outside. It is cold, but we are excited to be able to get outside and do something that Alaskans love to do. What's up, guys?
It's the weekend!
And this is Alaska. We used to bring Benny here when he was like just starting to run around, and he would cry every time that we left.
Here you go.
Hey, I'm Benny.
What do you like?
I like mountains and trees
Mountains and trees.
and bridges and water's nummy.
And dinosaurs?
Yeah, but Daddy's gone.
Okay.
Let's go.
Go. Hi guys!
Sit down.
Hey guys, it's me and Daddy and my Daddy and Mama. And it's me, Daddy and me. Hey guys, I love ya. Goodbye, see ya.
Welcome to the Benny vlog!
Yeah.
Yeah! We are the Squires family. We're
And
so excited to have you guys here with us today. Better.
okay, I can cut that in there.
I love ya.
Benny's intro.
I'm back. Hatcha. Mom, let's go.
Now you might be wondering what kind of hassle it was for us to get out here to make this possible. Honestly, the hardest part was getting this little guy dressed for the weather. And as far as how far off we had to go, we didn't really go that far from the car. We're like a quarter mile from the car. So I just want to encourage you guys that you don't have to go far from the car. You don't even have to leave your car. Whether you live in Alaska or live somewhere else, there is so much beauty around you. You don't have to be an avid hiker to be able to experience that. All you need to be able to do is get outside. And it's spring in Alaska, although you probably can't tell. It's March 6th and beautiful day. It's probably 20 degrees, but really the important thing is that you're getting outside and experiencing the great outdoors, which is our goal, is to build a legacy for our family and that they are raised outside exploring the beauty around us. So honestly, if you can get your kid dressed or get yourself dressed, then that's really the biggest thing, and you can get outside and explore wherever you're living at.
Surprise! Oh no, it's Benny!
You can go, baby.
I'm very content.
Yeah, you're content with most things, so therefore content.
Oh,
Is your
content.
thing,
I'm very
yeah.
content with things.
Is it cold?
No,
It's not cold.
it's like 20s.
There's just snow on the ground, but it's not cold, guys.
It's not that bad. It's actually pretty warm. In the summer, I love coming down here.
Yeah,
This is
It's
a
like-
good spot though when I just need some space. It's like one of the few spots where the mountain's not right in your face.
yeah, and it's like 3 minutes from our house. We can literally walk here actually from our house, and we haven't to this specific spot, but we have to the trails nearby. But it's really nice to have somewhere super close.
Okay, I can't.
What? Can we take a picture real quick? Mama hold you?
Yes.
Okay.
What do you think, Danny?
He doesn't care.
So we've had Danny out like 5 or 6 times probably in this little thing. I don't know what brand it is. It works. It's best for like little babies because you can tuck them in and pull this thing over their head. He's honestly at the point where he's almost ready for a backpack.
Yeah, we can't wait for
Which we
summer
love.
when we can get the backpack out.
We put probably 50 miles on that thing with Benny in it, in the backpack. So hopefully we can do that again this year. But now we have a Danny.
Yep, we are looking forward to summer, and we're gonna just go enjoy nature now.
Yep.
Talk to you guys later. We don't have anything to tell them.
We don't have any people.
We can talk about I got people. My family alone's 20 people.